Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the HDMI to USB 2.0 video capture card, 1080p HD recorder, game, video live streaming. So this one you could plug into your PS3, your PS4, or your Xbox, or even your Nintendo Switch, or anything with the HDMI connection that you can connect the video output to the USB 2.0 for video capture on your computer, your PC, or your Apple MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or a regular MacBook, or iMacs. So I got this for $15.99 and then free shipping on eBay. And then the total with the tax is $17.39. So let's go ahead and open this up and then show you guys. So let's show you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. I don't know why they put this sticker on there. So it's a HDMI to USB 2.0 video capture card. And this one has a pretty good resolution, so I'll need to test this out and then see how it goes. Support input maximum resolution is 3840 by 2160 as 30 Hz, and support output maximum resolution is 1920 by 1080p, which is full HD. And also support 8, 10, or 12-bit deep color. And it also support most of the acquisition software such as VLC, OBS, MCAP, and then etc. Support Windows, Android, and macOS. So you don't need an external power supply. It's very compact and then portable. And this is made in China. Go ahead and open this up. So it comes with this user manual. So this is the stick right here. And this one is in Chinese. Maybe the other side is, okay, this side is in English. And here's a spec. And right here is the dongle or the capture card. So you got the input right here. And then right here is the output to your PC. So this one is aluminum casing or metal. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.